Yes. Everyone open your SST book. Chapter 6, Physical Features of India. What happened, Audrija?
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
Yes, show me.
Ma'am, I want to show how to make a folder in my computer. Can I?
Okay, okay. Yes.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes. Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am. And
Okay. I will start. I'm starting now. Okay. Then I will see your folder. So now everyone open the chapter. Yes. Okay. Yesterday I've already completed the northern mountains, the northern plains, and the Great Indian Desert. Okay. So today we will start the southern plateau. Southern plateau, the coastal plains, the island regions. Okay. The southern plateau lies in the southern parts of our country. It forms a peninsula. Okay. It is a very important peninsula. This is very important. Okay. Peninsula. It's a very important. The southern plateau lies in the southern part of our country. It forms a peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. So, what is peninsula? What is peninsula? A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. তিন দিকে জল দিয়ে ঘেরা। পেনিনসুলাটাকে একটা পিস অফ ল্যান্ড তিন ধারে জল দিয়ে ঘেরা, তিন সাইডে জল দিয়ে ঘেরা। ঠিক আছে? The southern plateau is also called the Deccan Plateau. Southern plateau is also called the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Malbhumi. ঠিক আছে? Deccan Plateau. It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west. Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Okay, so Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west. Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south. So Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. This plateau is not as fertile as the plains. Fertile mane urbor. This plateau is not fertile as the plains. So in plains area, most of the plants have grown, but in plateau area, most of them are not grown because of the atmosphere, because of less rainfall and fertile land. Okay. So this plateau is not as fertile as the plains. Some of the rivers flow in this area. They are the Krishna Nodi. Okay, some of the rivers, they are Krishna, the Godavari, the Kaveri, the Narmada, and the Tapti. Okay, so in Deccan Plateau area, the rivers are Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, Narmada, and Tapti. These rivers water the areas of this plateau. The southern plateau has hill ranges to east and west. Southern plateau has hill ranges east and west, to east and west. The range on its east is called the Eastern Ghats, and the range on its west is called the Western Ghats. Okay, so the southern plateau has hill ranges to its east and west. East আর ওয়েস্টে এরকম এরকম সাইড করে হিল রেঞ্জেস আছে, ঠিক আছে। ইস্টে হচ্ছে ইস্টার্ন রেঞ্জ, ইস্টার্ন ঘাট, আর এটা হচ্ছে ওয়েস্টে হচ্ছে ওয়েস্টার্ন ঘাট। ওকে, পূর্ব ঘাট, পশ্চিম ঘাট। পূর্বঘাট পর্বতমালা, পশ্চিম ঘাট বেঙ্গলিতে পূর্বঘাট পর্বতমালা, পশ্চিম ঘাট পর্বতমালা, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে the Satpura and the Vindhya hill ranges separate the plateau from the northern plains. So the Satpura and Vindhya ranges, hill ranges separate the plateau from the northern plains. তাহলে northern plains থেকে সেপারেট করেছে ডেকান প্ল্যাটিউকে কে কে সেপারেট করেছে, যে which hill ranges? The Satpura and Vindhya ranges. Okay, acha, then the coastal plains. The coastal plains on either the southern plateau lies in the southern part of India. It forms a peninsula. What is peninsula? Peninsula is covered by the three sides of the water, and the southern plateau is also called the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. This plateau is not as fertile as the plains. Plains এর মতো অতটা উর্বর নয়, সেই জন্য এখানে চাষবাস খুব একটা ভালো হয় না। Some of the rivers flow in this area. They are Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Tapti. Okay, these rivers water the areas of this plateau. The southern plateau has hill ranges to its east and west. The ranges on its east is called Eastern Ghat, west is called Western Ghat, and the ranges on its west is called Western Ghat. The Satpura and Vindhya ranges separate the plateau from the northern plains. So Satpura and Vindhya ranges separate the plateau from the northern plains. Then the coastal plains. The coastal plains on either side of the peninsula are narrow strips of plain coastal land which are very fertile. So the coastal plains, উপকূলবর্তী এলাকা, coastal plains, উপকূলবর্তী এলাকা বেঙ্গলিতে। Okay, on either side of the peninsula are narrow strips of plain coastal land which are very fertile. These are called eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains of India. These two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari in the south. Kanyakumari in the south. ঠিক আছে? Everyone just see at atlas. Okay, atlas, the Indian map, Indiaর map. Map খুলবে, ম্যাপে সব দেখতে পাবে ভালো করে, ঠিক আছে। ম্যাপ atlas-এ, in atlas everyone just buy a atlas. In atlas you will see, you will just open the India map of India. Okay, then and you will see the every portion of physical features of India. Every physical features of India you will see in India map of India. Okay, so the Kanyakumari, these two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari in the south. Rivers such as the Mahanadi, Narmada, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and Tapti flow through these plains and fall into the sea. Through the এর উপর দিয়ে বয়ে গেছে এবং সমুদ্রে গিয়ে পড়েছে। Through these plains and flow through these plains and flow into the and fall into the sea. So the land of this coast is very fertile. ওকে, সো কারণ এই নদীগুলো এর উপর দিয়ে বয়ে গেছে বলে এখানে ল্যান্ডটা প্রচন্ড ফার্টাইল, প্রচন্ড উর্বর, ঠিক আছে। the coastal areas enjoy moderate climate which is neither too hot nor too cold. স্বাভাবিক জলবায়ু, চরমভাবাপন্ন নয়, চরমভাবাপন্ন হচ্ছে too hot and too cold. It is চরমভাবাপন্ন, too hot and too cold, but here the atmosphere is moderate. Moderate means normal, neither too hot neither too cold. মানে আমাদের এখানের মতো খুব গরম নয় খুব ঠান্ডা নয়, neither too hot neither too cold. Okay, so the island, next the island regions. The island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Deep elaka. The island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. India has group of islands on the eastern and western sides of the mainland. Group of islands as eastern and western sides. Okay, the Lakshadweep and the Andaman Nicobar Islands are the two groups of islands of India. The Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island. The Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island are the two most groups of islands of India. The Lakshadweep lies in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. তাহলে লাক্ষাদ্বীপ কোথায় আছে? লাক্ষাদ্বীপ কোথায় আছে? লাক্ষাদ্বীপ হচ্ছে Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Okay. And the Andaman Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. Andaman Nicobar, Bay of Bengal. Bharat Mahasagor, Bay of Bengal. Okay. So the island regions, an island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. India has group of islands on the eastern and western sides of the mainland. Acha, the Lakshadweep and the Andaman Nicobar Islands are two groups of islands of India. The Lakshadweep lies in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. আচ্ছা এবার সরি এবার টিটবিট পোরশনটা দেখো টিটবিট পোরশন টিটবিট Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Titbit e dekho Titbit Indira Point, the southernmost tip of India is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, so Indira Point, the southernmost tip of India is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, so Indira Point, the southernmost tip of India is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Indira Point hoche where is Indira Point situated? Where is Indira Point? So where we will see the Indira Point. Indira Point, the southernmost, মানে একদম সাউথের একদম শেষে tip, southernmost tip. Okay, একদম শেষে tip of India is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. This is called Indira Point. So the coastal plains on either side of the peninsula, the narrow strips of made plain coastal land which are very fertile. These are called eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains of India. These two coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari in the south. Rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri are flowing in these coastal plains. So that's why the coastal plains are very fertile. Okay, fertile, and these coastal areas has moderate climate, neither too hot, neither too cold. And island regions is the surrounded by water on all sides. Mane deep area, ঠিক আছে, surrounded by water on all sides. And India has group of islands on the eastern and western parts of India, Andaman Nicobar Punjo, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep and the Andaman Nicobar Islands are the two group of islands of India. The Lakshadweep lies in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. So Lakshadweep, where we will see the Lakshadweep Islands lies in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and Indira Point, the southernmost tip of India, is Andaman Nicobar Island. একদম নিচের দিকের দক্ষিণের নিচের দিকের বিন্দু হচ্ছে Indira Point, the point tip of India. Okay, so Indira Point. আচ্ছা এইবার দেখো the land surface of India varies from place to place. হ্যাঁ, lessons in short. The land surface of India varies from place to place. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. Acha, the great yes, just a minute, type in. The land surface of India varies from place to place. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. The Great Indian Desert and the Third Desert lies in the northwestern part of India. The Southern Plateau is also called the Deccan Plateau. The Satpura and Vindhya hill ranges separate the plateau from the northern plains. And island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Okay. So everyone read this chapter, and if you have any problem, then tell me. Tomorrow, today I will clear, but today we have much time. So tomorrow also we will clear all your doubts. আচ্ছা ট্যাপিম, হ্যাঁ ট্যাপিম ভালো হয়েছে, ভেরি গুড। ঠিক আছে, ওয়াটার সাইকেল। সো ওয়াটার সাইকেল, ইয়েস, বাট অ্যারো 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 দিতে হবে। ইয়েস ট্যাপিম।
Yes, ma'am.
This is the water cycle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But label korte hobe, you have to label it. Okay. Properly labeled. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ভালো হয়েছে, ভেরি গুড। আরাত্রিকা, আরাত্রিকা পেন্সিল স্কেচ তো ভালো করে বুঝতে পারছি না। কালার করবে, কালার করবে আরাত্রিকা। কি, হ্যাঁ ফিশ টিশ দেখতে পাচ্ছি, কালার করো। Yes, yes, tell me. Unmute yourself, unmute.
Ma'am, I am not talking you. I am talking to my mother.
Okay, okay. Acha, Adrija, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, in the color stressor planes, is there all the season? Is there only summer season, monsoon season?
What?
In the wait, ma'am. In this part. In this part,
Coastal
is
plains.
there? Yes, ma'am.
No,
Here
no,
is
no.
written. There is neither cold, neither hot.
হ্যাঁ, neither hot not too cold মানে হচ্ছে here in our place we will feel neither too hot and neither too cold. Here the atmosphere of the coastal plains atmosphere is same. Okay, normal atmosphere.
Okay.
Normal atmosphere.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
And I want to show you something.
Yes, show me.
That I have one doubt also. More doubt. Can I say you?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is a